What if building a robot could earn you a paid internship at IIT Bombay? What if one competition could teach you ROS2, computer vision, embedded systems, and FPGA programming, all in just 6 months with zero prior robotics experience needed? That is exactly what eYRC promises. And I can tell you this from personal experience. Last year, our team participated in eYRC and secured 4th place in the KB theme. It was one of the most intense, challenging, and genuinely rewarding experiences of our entire engineering journey. We learned more in those 6 months than 4 years of college could ever teach us. Find the registration link in the description below. So what is eYRC? The eYantra Robotics Competition is India's biggest project-based robotics competition, hosted at IIT Bombay and funded by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Running since 2012, it has benefited over 270,000 students across 3,500 plus colleges nationwide. Here is how it works. Registration opens on August 1st and closes August 25th, 2026. You form a team of 2 to 4 students from the same college, any branch, any year. The fee is just 3,000 rupees per team for the entire 6-month season. That is as low as 750 rupees per student. Then the journey begins. Stage 1 runs from September to November entirely online. You complete simulation tasks and a robotics MOC to build real skills. Top teams advance to Stage 2, where they receive a free robotic hardware kit and tackle hands-on embedded challenges from November to February 2027. Then, the top 5 to 6 teams travel to IIT Bombay in March 2027 for the national finale, competing live before an expert jury for a total prize pool of 10 lakh rupees. But prizes are just the beginning. You earn IIT Bombay certificates for every stage you complete. Top performers are shortlisted for a 6 to 8 week paid internship at IIT Bombay, working directly with world-class researchers. The technologies you will master include ROS2, embedded systems, computer vision, control systems, FPGA programming, and path planning, all taught progressively as you compete. No robotics experience required, just basic programming skills and the hunger to build something extraordinary. The early bird discount runs only until August 11th. All girl teams get an additional 20% off. Register now at portal.eyantra.org. The link is right there in the description. Click it and begin your robot journey today.